Hey Stunning Fan, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. For today's project, we are going to be creating the letters that are going to sit behind our daughter's crib. Her bedroom theme is woodland, so we decided to put different types of woodland animals on the letters. The first step was applying polyurethane on the letters to help the spray paint stick. Then we applied the spray paint after the polyurethane dried. We did buy these letters from Hobby Lobby. There was a sale going on with them because the letters were going out of stock and they were no longer going to be selling them. We did have to buy 2 of the letters on Amazon, and luckily what we found on Amazon was identical to the set that we found at Hobby Lobby. The total for these letters was $14.66 because they were about 74 cents a piece at Hobby Lobby, and then about $4 a piece on Amazon. After preparing the letters, Michele took the woodland animals from our baby shower invitation, enlarged them, and printed them out. I'm going to include the link of our invitation purchase from Etsy below. The seller is called Blue Bunny Printables. Michele then used Mod Podge glue to apply the animals to the letters. She just did 1 coat. We allowed the letters to dry overnight, and then we stapled them to the wall. For nailing the letters to the wall, we measured out the center of the crib, and then we started from the middle to each side to make sure that her name was exactly center on the wall. We used a measuring tape to make sure that the letters were exactly 1 inch apart from each other, and then we also used a level to make sure that they are straight. We hope that you all enjoyed this DIY video. If you like our content and want to see more, make sure you ding that red bell on our channel and subscribe. We'll see you next time.